In this video, we will show you how to set up and use the LAGENIO Eagle Pro for the first time. Open the gift box. The lens cap is used to protect the action camera's lens. The lanyard is designed to offer more versatile carrying options. It contains the phone, user's manual, warranty card, warranty activation card, lanyard, and lens cap. LAGENIO Eagle Pro is a 5G mini rugged phone with action camera. It lets you use your phone to record or live stream with action camera quality performance anytime without having to carry any extra equipment. Let's have a quick review of the keys and components. The 32 megapixel selfie camera, indicator, volume key, the power key, the action camera key. You can access the action camera with a single click. The 48 megapixel ultra wide action camera, the 50 megapixel main camera, the dynamic light, which can be effect customized, the flashlight, the speaker, the SIM card slot. You can use it as a 2 nano SIM card slot or 1 nano SIM card plus 1 SD card slot. The USB port, the smart key. You set up it in the system. The dual noise cancelling microphones, universal accessory mount, compatible with any mount, selfie stick, or other accessory. Hold the power button to power on the device. Now, let's get into it. In this screen, you can choose languages, set up vision, and make an emergency call if necessary. Insert SIM card and connect to mobile network here. Set up using another Android or iPhone. Connect to Wi-Fi, and you can set up offline first and connect to Wi-Fi and sign in later. Set the date and time for your location here. Select a lock option and set it up. Choose the navigation mode here. Scrolling down and accept Google Terms of Services. Now it's ready. Pull down from the top to enter the shortcuts. You can tap to toggle the corresponding shortcut or press and hold to access advanced settings. Let's have a quick view of settings. Search here for the setting you want. Sign into your Google account to get helpful services recommendations. Configure SIM card and network settings here. Pair and manage connected devices here. Configure app settings here. Manage notification settings here. Set up sound effect and vibration here. Set Do Not Disturb bedtime, or create your own mode. Manage brightness, display lock, appearance, color, and other display controls here. Choose wallpaper from your setup. Screen reader, display, interactions controls, captions, audio, general here. You can set up the quick actions and applications you want to open when press the custom key. Set up the security, privacy, and other related settings here. See location, accessed apps, and location permissions here. Choose your preferred services to save data for sign-in and autofill suggestions. Turn on additional services if you'd like them to provide suggestions too. Set up ways to disconnect, reduce interruptions, and families here. Here you can set up medical, safety, emergency related. Check the storage details here. Check the battery status and related settings here. Drag out the smart panel in any interface to reach your commonly used functions or tools. And you can also put some apps here for quick switching. Use ultra-wide angle camera for video call or streaming. Gloves mode here. You can choose which apps are allowed to run in the background to enhance your user experience. When internal storage is enough, can enable this feature to expand RAM. Note, this feature needs reboot device. Set up scheduled power on and power off here. Find system-related settings in this menu and can enter each for detail settings. Here are the device basic information. This is a toolbox, compass, sound meter, pick hanging, gradienter, height measure, magnifier, warning, plumb bob, protractor, pedometer, flashlight. In simple mode, there are fewer features on the home screen and the icons are larger, making it ideal for older adults. Now let's take a look at the most distinctive feature of this mini rugged phone, the action camera. In the picture interface, you can set the flash mode, AI enhancements, grid lines, timer, and other settings such as white balance. In the video interface, you can set the flash mode, resolution, grid lines, timer, and other settings such as white balance. The timer, grid lines, more settings here for interval. In the 48 megapixel high resolution mode, you can set the flash mode, grid lines, timer, and other settings such as white balance. Also, there are more options: slow motion, portrait, HDR, night, pro, time lapse. You can use the action camera for streaming.